Hi, welcome to Excel and Power BI. Today we will discuss a common problem while taking the screenshots in Excel. While taking the screenshot in Excel, we generally use the snipping tool. But there is a limitation with the snipping tool. We can only take the screenshot of the visible screen only. What if in case I have to take the screenshot of this entire data? How we can take it? Let's use a simple trick. Go to the quick access toolbar this way and click on this icon. Go to the more commands and go to the quick access toolbar. From here select all commands, wait for a second and type camera on your keyboard, and this camera add it here. Click OK. Now you see camera button is there. First you select your data where you want to take the screenshot. Let's say I have to take the complete screenshot of this complete table. Now I have selected this table and I'll click on the camera button. My table has been captured. Now I can paste it anywhere, either in form of table or in form of picture as well. Let's say I'll paste it here in form of picture table. So this has been come as a table. I can do editing in this, whatever I want to do. Similarly, if I'll have to paste it as a picture, I can do so as well. Let's paste it as a picture. You can use it over email or anywhere. So this will help you in taking the entire table picture. Thank you. I hope you have liked this video. Please do subscribe my channel.